Hi, welcome to Nutritious Bites. Craving something sweet but still want to stay healthy? Try this creamy, delicious and completely sugar-free Gajar Ki Kheer. Perfect for diabetes and anyone looking for a guilt-free dessert. Then let's get started. Firstly, take 2 cups of milk and let it come to a boil. Meanwhile, soak 1 cup of dates in the warm water for a few minutes. This will be our natural sweetener. Next, rinse 1.5 teaspoon of rice and keep it aside. Next, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and 8 carrots. I used pre-grated carrots for convenience and saute them well until you get a lovely aroma. This takes few minutes. Next, take the washed rice and blend it into a fine paste. After that, add this paste into the boiled milk. It will help thicken the kheer and add a creamy texture. Stir well and enjoy the amazing aroma filling your kitchen. Turn off the flame and add cardamom. For extra thickness, add ground dry fruits, almonds, cashews and walnuts that were blended into a fine powder. Now, take the soaked dates, remove the pits carefully and grind them into a smooth paste. Mix these date paste into the kheer and let it simmer for few minutes. Now, next, to make it even more creamy, add half cup fresh malai, which we say milk cream. This gives it a rich texture. Your healthy, creamy and delicious Gajar Ki Kheer is ready. Garnish with your favorite dry fruits and serve warm. If you like this healthy recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nutritious Bites for more such recipes. This kheer is perfect for diabetes, weight loss and anyone for looking for a guilt-free dessert.